During the initial years, a junior advocate may face difficulty regarding what should one prepare before appearing before the court. There are few points a junior advocate must be aware of. First, to which party is one appearing? Example, an advocate should know whether he is representing plaintiff or defendant, petitioner or respondent, or complainant or accused, etc. Second, under which caption is that case listed? Third, under which provision is that case filed? A civil suit may be listed filed under section 34 of Specific Relief Act. A writ petition may be filed under Article 226, 227 of the Constitution, and likewise, an advocate should definitely know these provisions under which that particular case is filed. Fourth, the relief or prayer sought in that case. At the end of any plaint, petition, or complaint, there are prayers which one must be aware of before making submissions. Fifth, what is the challenge in that case? The date of impugned order, if any, and the page number of impugned order. One must know what is impugned in the petition. Advocate should read the impugned order and should know the page number of the impugned order. A judge would definitely ask this question. Sixth, what happened on previous date of that case? An advocate must always read the previous roznama or order passed in that particular case. And lastly, the reason for which an adjournment is sought. If a junior advocate is appearing to seek an adjournment, he must know the reason for which an adjournment is sought. At times, a judge may ask this question and he must provide a suitable answer to that question. An advocate, even if he is a junior seeking an adjournment, is expected to assist the court at least by answering all the above seven facts if asked by the court.